Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Thursday 11th of August. And we're doing pretty amazing for Bitcoin right now. Do you see this? Do you see this is finally the legit breakout that we've been patiently waiting for? And to me, guys, this is one of the best breakouts you're ever going to see, because in the next 1 hour 21 minutes you're about to make a continuation pattern known as a three white soldier. So you've pretty much done the break. I think this is legit. This break to the upside is legit, especially when you confirm with three white soldiers like this. It means business is picking up right now. Okay, so there's no way I think this is a fake out. Of course, the only thing that can destroy itself at this point of time is Bitcoin itself. Nothing, no damn coin or no damn person on earth is going to come near Bitcoin from stopping Bitcoin to go to this price level now, $26,000. We need Bitcoin to go to $26,000, be it tomorrow, be the day after tomorrow, be after the correction and then move higher. I don't bloody know, but the thing is that this is coming up to 26,343. Now let's talk about that correction to the downside here. We've had the correction down there, boom, just like that, cross the golden ratio, come up to the 1.618. Now I think until tomorrow though, I think I've actually, put the prices a little bit higher, but I think now that you're looking for that retrace to the downside, 25,000 is a believable price target until tomorrow, because today's Thursday. They do midweek reversal. They started midweek reversal from yesterday, which was Wednesday. Coming into Thursday today, they're actually doing the midweek reversal. And then now we already have this thing on a Thursday pumping, and then Friday are also good. Friday are not really bad. Okay, so amazing. We're good to go to the 25,164. Now that's why I do reckon you might take a little bit of a break here and then come down and retest these levels, potentially 24Ks on the weekends. When you do that, you're looking to actually shoot to the upside. But you can see now that when I told you in yesterday's video that we didn't break out of anything, and this time it's a real one. This one is not a fluke anymore. This is a very perfect picture, perfect breakout. Okay, talk about a picture perfect breakout at the moment. Now, I want to dive into the daily, and you can see that candlestick printing up. I just want to see the volume at the moment, and you can see that big green candle volume was amazing. Okay, we had a very amazing volume right over there, and this is pretty much a confirmation. But in the weekends we still might see a retest. Okay, a retest that can actually be successful. You could actually come down here to 23,799 during the weekends and then bounce off this place and start to continue higher. And keep in mind, we are finding a bull cross. We are on the verge of a bull cross, and Bitcoin is just getting started, guys, right? So the 55, the 10, and the 20, they're about to cross one another. We're about to get one of the best rallies once again in crypto space. Not only for Bitcoin, you're looking for amazing pump to the upside for the altcoins as well. Ethereum is doing amazing. Ethereum is up to $1,900, and I do have a $2,500 target for Ethereum. So everything is looking pretty awesome. Now let's see what happens during the weekend. I do believe we're looking to actually come up to 25,162 at the moment, and then maybe take a breath here. Who knows? We can actually explode all the way up. You never know about Bitcoin, all right? But it does make sense near the weekend to come down for a retest of this place that you're breaking out of. And that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.